In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Shein. Whether you're using their website or mobile app, this process is straightforward, but it's important to act quickly if you've changed your mind about a purchase. First, you'll need to log into your Shein account. You can do this on your computer by visiting their website or by using their app on your mobile device. If you're not logged in already, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home page, which will show a variety of categories and new arrivals. But for our purposes, we need to focus on your orders. Next, look for the section titled My Orders. This is typically found in your account settings or in the main menu. Click or tap on it, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all your recent orders. Scroll through this list to locate the specific order you'd like to cancel. Pay close attention to the order status, as this will determine your next steps. If the status of your order is listed as pending or processing, you're in luck. Orders in these stages haven't been shipped yet, so they can still be canceled. Look for the option labeled Cancel Order and select it. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the cancellation. It's essential you confirm it here to prevent the order from being processed further. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, you should receive an email notification or an immediate update on the website or app indicating that your order has been successfully canceled. This means that your item will not be shipped and you will be eligible for a refund, often directly back to your original payment method. Refund processing times can vary, so keep an eye out for that refund over the next several days. Now, if you see that the order status shows the item has already shipped, unfortunately, cancellation is no longer an option. In this case, you'd need to go through a different process to return the item once it arrives. This involves receiving the package, then accessing the return options either on Shein's app or website. Each store has its own return policies, so be sure to review these carefully to ensure you meet their requirements and timelines for a successful return. Always remember, the key to successfully canceling an order on Shein lies in timing. Checking your order status soon after making a purchase gives you the best chance to make changes before items are shipped. So whether you're a frequent shopper or a first-time user exploring Shein, having this knowledge up front can save you from the hassle of dealing with unwanted items later on. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.